Oh, somebody put their takeout bag from a restaurant here. What is those?
Never took a left. Oh, this cart was a jack of wheels.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible. Here we go. Ooh, this cart's luxurious. Okay. I'm gonna start in the back. Back to where we know. Let's stick with what we know. VHS tape. Stripes. I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna scan it. Can I scan it? Oh yeah, I can. I'll scan this. I doubt it though. Usually, I heard if it's not horror or Orvis. Orvis is a good brand. Ooh, this is in great shape. Hello, Orvis. Oh no, it isn't. What? Somebody just sliced it right down the middle. That's why it's still here. What's this? Pitt School of Pharmacy. Weekends off. Medium. It's really distressed. Maybe. People like that ripped up grandma stuff. I just love that. Little sweatpants here. What is this? Izod. No. Ooh, Sperry's. These are my size, maybe. Sperry's are awesome though. These are not terrible shape, but like I said, I don't really do a lot of shoes. Unless they're looking really in good shape. Oh, what is this? This Grandmacore? That's a thing now. People dressing like your grandma is a thing. It is called Grandmacore. And it is a thing. Ooh, what is this? D&F. This almost looks like a Zaraman label. Like Zaraman has this underneath. Looks a little dingy on the sleeves though, so I'm gonna pass that up. I literally got one sweatshirt so far that I think I'm probably gonna throw back. Old bitch. Old bitch. Number 98. If that wasn't cut, I'd probably buy that. Yeah. What's this? Really small skeleton pants. Oh, I'm in the market for a new vacuum. Just don't know if that's going to do the job. Oh, these are Levi's. 32. The bottoms though are like really big. These are battery operated LED micro lights, warm white. They're like Christmas, but I wanted to do something with these, and I ended up not doing it because, well, the best of Jerry Springer, maybe. I ended up not doing it because my cats got into the lights and chewed them all up, and then they were in like a big knot, so like it didn't work out. What's this? Oh, okay. Isla, where it says Mexico? Someone's putting this back, and I think someone might have thrown this back, but I think that was a mistake. This is like a local thing. Native Joe's Scoop and Grind. It's like a local coffee place, but it's tie-dye, and it's cool. We'll do a recap at the end. Let's not do a recap now. Let's do a recap later. These have been around for a while, it looks like. Okay. I'll get out. I'm alone today, in case anyone was wondering. I left Adam at home. Kennywood. That's like a local park for y'all that don't know. Ooh, what is this? Awesome meter. Okay, this is cute. The Muppets. Awesome meter. That's fun. That's fun. And it's like a ringer tee. People like ringer tees. I like ringer tees. They're fun. Chaps. What's this? Polo Ralph Lauren. But for a small child. Ooh, is this Grandmacore? That is definitely Grandmacore. Or just ugly core. Is that a thing? Puke core? Vom core? Things that are just really ugly that nobody wants to wear. Ooh, this must be Grandmacore. This is Express. Size small. I think this is a yes. I thought first of all the beads fell off here, but it looks like that's how it's supposed to be. And I feel like somebody would buy this, and this would look fabulous on my mannequin. Look at this bling. So blingy. Okay. I'm starting to have more faith in this trip. I was feeling a little sad, but now I'm feeling happy. Oh, suspenders. Okay. Is this a skirt? Palmettos. Okay, so I thought Palmettos was a popular brand from like the 80s. I swear Palmettos was like a thing, but I've been holding on to a Palmettos shirt for months. This though, it's a size 5. It's also Palmettos. I can tell it's old. It's like in perfect shape. It's not going to take up a lot of room, and it's going to cost literally like $1/4. So I think somebody might want it eventually. But yeah, I'm telling you, I think all like the rich kids had Palmettos. What kind of fabric is this? Express. It gotta be special. It gotta be bedazzled for me to want it. Broken threads. This is like a beachy summery tank top thing. And I'm not even gonna look it up. I mean, I'll put it, it's literally like I said, it's gonna cost like nothing. Because it weighs literally nothing. It weighs maybe like 2 ounces. So it's gonna cost nothing. And we have a lot of these like beach, spring breakish, summer vacation tank tops on right now. So hopefully we'll start to sell those soon. I see underwear and I'm not gonna touch that, okay? Moving on. Don't know what that is. Oh, flannel. Well, let's guess before we look at the label. Everybody guess. What brand do you think this is? I'm gonna say Arizona. Old Navy. Old Navy. I lost. The Old Navy classic shirt. Old Navy's not worth it to me. Unless it's like something really unique looking. What is this? Crosby Hockey coat. What is this? What is this? Unique looking pattern. Some kind of gown. Oh, I see some more unique patterns in there. Does this have a tag on it still? It does. Size extra large. R&B collection. It's just a dress. It's very plain, but it's brand new with the tag. I cannot say no to that. I always sell brand new dresses with tags on them, but I don't know anything about the brand. Oh, the skirt's nice. Renee? Nah. Oh, somebody put their takeout bag from a restaurant here. What is those? L. Oh, yes. This is very nice. And L, I think, is either a Kohl's brand or a Stitch Fix brand. And this is really cute. So that's going to be a yes. I see some embroidery over here. I see some embroideration. This is complex. I don't see a tag. This is like, I don't know. It looks dashiki-ish. Not really. We have some dashikis. We're not Not selling very many of them. Ooh, fruit. Fruit pants. These are kids. If these were adults, wouldn't you love some fruit pants? I would love some fruit pants. What is this? This looks silky. Body Touch Lounge. Oh, it's like a sleep shirt. Ooh, this is like so soft. I love this pattern for someone that hates pain. Friends, this looks like a sleep shirt. I don't know. I think it's kind of nice. Free gift. This is a free gift. This is a very thick sock. Oh, we're almost to my bin. My best bin. Okay, well, I'm starting to run out of battery already, and I don't know how that's even possible. Ooh, look at this mossy oak hat. This is quality. Yes. Oh yeah, this is great. Okay, I'm getting this. Live mechanics, well established. What is that? When I said I was going to keep looking at the battery, and when I got down to, I love this jacket. 20%, I was going to start doing the money. Yeah, okay. It's a little dinge, but they're really not. Okay. So, the mossy oak hat here is a definite yes. I'm not even looking that up. This is a definite yes. I'm not even going to look up a lot of this stuff. The leggings are yes, because I mean, this is going to cost me like $10. The L shirt, like I said, maybe from Stitch Fix. This is like brand new without the tags, and it's really cute. Summer's coming up. Someone will buy that. This is a brand new dress with the tags on. This tank top, like I said, I don't know the brand, but these are super popular in the summer, so that's a yes. This is going to cost me nothing. It's another yes. The sequined ugliness that someone will want. This is also a yes from me. And then this here is like a jacket. Look at this. This is awesome. Isla Mujeres, Mexico? Is that J pronounced H? Size large. What does that even mean? But look, this is awesome. It's like in really good shape. And I know someone probably threw that back because, oh, so there's a little tiny stainage on there, but I'm going to put that in my OxyClean. I know someone threw that back because they were like, I don't want to clean this, so well, I'm going to clean it. Pitt is going back. LED lights are for me. This was the Kermit, so he's a keep. And then the tie-dye is a keep. I'm going to look up the Jerry Springer and the Stripes DVDs. Like I said, the lights are for me. I'm going to look those up, and then when I go to the car, I'll let you know if I bought them or not. But I just shut off because I'm literally like, my battery's going to die in 2 seconds.